I must confess, I never looked into one of these cable TV boxes before. This one is from DIGI, is the cheapest carrier, provider, whatever, in Romania. And it's an HSS-1160NA model, made in Turkey. Yeah. And if you can read upside down, it can draw up to 30 watts. And yeah, the person who got this used to get like 130 channels with it, but the output is analog, so good luck with that. Nobody uses these ports anymore. I mean, you sort of have them on LCD TVs nowadays, but yeah, the picture quality is not that good. So I'm gonna tear this one down. At least it has a good switch and a power cord. The rest we'll see. Hopefully I can transform this into a mini PC. I think this case is big enough for an M80X mainboard, or slightly smaller, DTX or what they call it. So yeah, this is how it's turned on, whatever. It can display numbers and that's it. There's the peel after 20 years of use. That's funny. It still had the protective cover. Okay, so here should go the SIM card, and I mean smart card. Yeah, smart card. And here it's an opening. I don't know what it's supposed to be. You can take this out probably. So yeah, I'm gonna turn it off and disassemble it, or at least try. Yeah, let's get all the screws. One on the left side. Oh boy, it's in metal. Can you see the thread? That's interesting. Non-standard. Computers use a slightly different thread. Yeah, this side. Oops, hit the camera. Yeah, maybe put it down here. Focus. And there are two more on the two sides. Okay. On the other side, I dropped it, of course. Oh boy, I can get it. I got it. If I'm going to reuse this, then I should keep the screws. Yeah, it's unplugged, but some capacitors may still be charged, so be careful. And that's it. I mean, that's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. Okay, I'm stuck in a loop. So let's just see. Let's take the card reader off. This may be useful. Maybe. I have to look up the part. Maybe it can be connected to a computer. I don't know. It has a weird plug. But oh yeah. It's kind of strange, but maybe. I don't know. I'll just take it out. Oh, it's dusty. It's a Topiang. And the serial number. Here's some model number. And the chip, I can't see it because TDA 804i or 4T. Whatever. I think this is garbage and I'm going to just use these SMDs from it. Whatever. Now let's see. Here's the mounting bracket for the... We'll take out this too. Oh, maybe it's for a hard drive. I don't know. The small slot here. A laptop hard drive fits inside there. I don't know. And there's the cover here for this thing. I can push it out. I said I can push it out. Like that. Okay. So I don't know what that's supposed to be. I just put it back. The door fell off. Okay. So let's remove the other board. I mean motherboard. Other board. That's funny. No screws on the bottom. I mean, yeah, there are. So this screw. Wait. Yeah, that screw. Just one screw. And one in the end. Okay, this one is also connected to the bottom. So let's take this off. This one holds a transistor or something. And this one is just holding the board. And there are two more screws in the back. Like here. Which are hanging on to the shielding of the cable, antenna, frequency, blah blah blah, whatever. So let's see. We can't get it out. There's one more screw. Okay, here. This one is a plastic screw, hopefully. In some plugs, ports, whatever. Okay, we got this out. Nice screws. So, yeah, nothing special. Burn marks under the CPU, as usual. Somebody tried to protect something here with a piece of tape. And nothing special. Maybe some configuration thing here, but yeah, it's mostly boring stuff. Here's a cable connecting to the front screen, this one. Let's just get it out. Maybe we can reuse that screen and buttons for something else. Here's the, oh boy, here's the power supply. I don't know how to get this one out. And here's the flash memory. So maybe you can use this thing for something else. The only downside is that it has a crappy output. So I'll have to look this up, but I don't really care right now because I have an identical box. Another one. I'll leave that one as the way it is. So yeah, this is kind of nice. There's a model number, I think, W466, whatever. And this thing is a decoder for the modem. It has some crap on it. STV, whatever. Maybe this is useful for something, but I don't know. Maybe you can reprogram this thing. But yeah, for now, I just put it aside and look it up later. Oh, this part is from Samsung. That's interesting. This is the analog TV. This is the analog part. And this is the digital. Interesting. Whatever. This won't be very useful. And let's see the power supply. Oh, this is just 30 watts. Huh. But this is interesting. It has a readout, I mean, what the pins are. It has a description. So ground, that's the black. And then not connected, ground again. And 30 volts. 23 volts, 12 volts, 8 volts, ground, 5, 3.3, 5. But it's not good, man. I'm sorry, but this is a crappy power supply. 30 watts and all these weird voltages. I could use 5 volts and 12 volts, but this is crap. None of the voltages have sufficient amperage, if that's the way it is. Many different voltages. So then we'll just harvest the power cable and maybe some components from it, and the switch, of course. Oh, it has a nice connector. Let's disconnect. Bit connect. Yeah. So it's out. It doesn't have any SMDs. I don't know why. This is an older part probably. But the other circuit board has nice little SMDs all over the place. So yeah. And here we have a perfectly fine computer case with a power cord. Wait, yeah, with a power cord. So maybe it's useful like that. With the cord. Let me see a main board. I have one right here. It's one of the bigger ones. With a graphics card, let me just take it off. And yeah, this one doesn't fit. But the width is perfect. But the length is too big. But there are mainboards that are only this big, right up to this hole. So yeah, those fit here. The new M80X boards. Maybe this would be a good computer case for a mini PC. Who knows? I guess we'll find out if I can get some more mainboards. Even if it's a crappy computer, maybe I'll just mount it inside for fun. And yeah, I don't think we care about this front panel. Yeah. So that's it for now. I said stop.